Not bad at all, but if you're lazy like me and you want to stay warm, here's a better side hustle that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Before I show you, here's some proof. These are my daily sales for today. The first thing that you want to do is go to sell.amazon.com to become an Amazon seller. Next, go to FBAgrowthunique.com and use their filters to find viable winning products and hit search. And as you can see, it'll pop up a lot of different product opportunities. Let's go ahead and just go with the dog cooling mat. As you can see, that product is bringing an Amazon seller over $20,000 in revenue every single month. Now this is what popped up for that product. As you can see, it's selling for around $50. And you can buy the exact same one from Alibaba for around $1 by buying it in bulk. Now for the crazy part, let me show you the data. The average monthly revenue for people selling this product is nearly $17,000 in revenue each month. The best part about this side hustle is anytime someone purchases your product, Amazon ships all of your orders for you, so you never have to touch the product yourself.